You are very busy. I am very busy. He is very busy. She is very busy. Busy, busy, busy. The frequent use of any sentences or word makes our English very boring. It's time to enhance our English by learning some alternatives. That's why I have brought this session for you, where we are gonna learn 10 alternatives of I am busy. So without much beating around the bush, let's get started. Alright, our first alternative is I am swamped. It is not swamped. It is swamped. It is swamped. It means you have a lot of work to do, or basically it means you are very busy. For example, I cannot join you today because I am swamped with my work. I am swamped with my work. And keep in mind, you have to use the preposition with after swamped. I couldn't meet you yesterday because I was swamped with teaching responsibilities. It means I was busy with teaching responsibility. That's why I couldn't meet you. Here is the next one, and this one is I am tied up. I am tied up. It means you are busy or you are occupied with something. Basically, we are covering the alternatives of I am busy, so they all will convey the same meaning, that you are busy. For example, when your friend comes to you and asks, can you play cricket right now with us? So you can say, right now I am tied up with my English, so I couldn't join you. It means you are busy in learning English, so you can't join them, right? Remember, you have to use preposition with after tied up, okay? And third one is my plate is full, or I have a lot on my plate. It means you have a lot of work to do. For example, when your sister tells you that go to market and bring vegetable, you can say my plate is already full, or I have a lot on my plate, so I couldn't do any extra work, right? And fourth alternative is I am overloaded. I am overloaded. It means you are extremely busy. For example, I cannot take on any additional work as I am overloaded with my task. Means you have a lot of tasks, you don't have time at this moment to do any additional work. And next alternative we have I am buried under the work. It is not buried, it is buried. It means you have a lot of work or you are extremely busy. For example, I cannot chat with you as I am buried in the school work. It means you are doing your remaining school works and you cannot chat with anyone. And next one is I am occupied. I am occupied. It means you are already engaged in other activities, so you cannot do any other works. So you can say I am occupied. It can be the same meaning, that you are busy. For example, I couldn't meet you yesterday because I was occupied with teaching responsibilities. Next one is I am up to my ears. I am up to my ears. It means you are extremely busy or you are busy. For example, Raj is up to his ears in preparation for examination. And here we have next one, I am snowed under. I am snowed under. It conveys the same meaning of being busy. For example, I cannot meet you today because I am snowed under with my studies. It means I am indulged in my studies, so I couldn't meet you. And next is I am slammed. I am slammed. For example, delivery boys are slammed with orders and deliveries. And the last one we have, I am in the woods. I am in the woods. It means you are extremely busy. For example, he has been in the woods with his office work. Means he has been very busy with his office work. So today we have learned 10 alternatives of I am very busy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel. For more such kind of video, stay tuned.